This is Francis Prof. Afable. Welcome to my segment on the Cockfather on this program of ours, Sabong Nation. For this morning, we're going to talk about the bloodlines of the Clarets. As you know, the Clarets was started in 1918 by Colonel John H. Madigan. It was through the help of several people that this claret was developed. Firstly, it was a Dury white-hackled hen that came from Colonel Andrew O'Connor that was given to John H. Madigan. And then from this was a bred back mother-son mating. Dito po inumpisahan itong inahin nito na binreed naman po sa several bloodlines. Kamukha po ng New Hope strain na tinatawag nila yung picket line, tapos yung black and tan. Dito ho sa breeding neto, na may lumabas sila na 9 stags na ang kulay red wine. That's why they called it the Clarets. Ang itsura ng Clarets, basically, they're straight comb chickens. At lalabas to, wine red, white-legged. So, itong mga Clarets, when they were made during that time, and even up to now, has got that certain characteristic na vertical leapers, very intelligent fighters. They have good plumage, they're medium-high station, at they breed true to color. Isang itsura, isang kulay. So, pagka ito naman ay kinocross mo, they mate very, very well with round heads, with hatch, at at present, itong pamilya ng mga sweater, may mga claret sweater dito. So, itong claret has been very, very instrumental. As way back, nagkaroon ng offshoot ang claret na ginawa ni Duke Halsey, yung lemon, Hatch Butcher Claret. So, nakita mo, maraming pinasikat na bloodline to. At pinasikat pa niya yung CC Cook na Hatch Claret na breeding of McLean and Madigan Claret. So, the Claret stands off as a history. And sinasabi nga nila, 90 years na in America and in the Philippines. Sino ba ang merong breeding ng Claret dito sa Pilipinas? Unang-una, maraming nagpasok niyan. Si Joe Alinbugin. Tapos itong sila Ed Fontanilla. Napunta nga rito yung mga manok kay Ferdy Farenas. At si Jesse Ledesma. Pero yung kay Jesse Ledesmang manok ay Colonel Givens of Alabama. So, iba namang klaseng source yung kay Jesse na ang source naman dito sa Luzon at sa ibang parte rito sa Pilipinas ay Howard Belt. Kasi si Howard Belt has been known for his clarets. So, ang claret has helped a lot in improving the bloodlines, either if it's a U.S. breeder or a Filipino breeder. Sana nakatulong din ako sa inyo by giving information tungkol sa bloodline ng claret. Hanggang next week po, ito si Prof. Francis Afable, your Cockfather.